Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tauqeer Abid from the floor of I-CET Academy. Students, this is my lecture. It's a chain of basically sentence and the type of sentences. And today I shall discuss about the second type of sentence, which is well known as interrogative sentences, in which you always ask questions to other people. Students, basically here this is the training of grammar skill, but this is also the training of practical English. It means that we shall always take care about that we will use the sentences normally people use in their daily life. Here I shall guide you about this. Students, as you are looking that interrogative sentences is basically also of two types. First is start with helping verbs. Second is start with WH words. Start helping verbs, when you start from, then basically you should take care about that. Are you asking questions in present tense, in past, or in future tense? Students, some helping verbs related to present is for single is, for plural are, for I am, for single does, for plural do, for single has, for plural have. In past tense, when you switch, you should take care about when you are speaking especially. Then in past tense, for single was and for plural were. For single and plural both did. Near past, had, far past. And for future, these are basically the helping verbs of future, and these are also the modal verbs. There are two more modal verbs, can and may. And when you are speaking the sentences, the questions which are starting from these words, it means that you are basically starting the words, starting the questions basically from the helping verbs. While on the other hand, if you are asking questions, then what is a common question? What is a common way? Here I am also writing the meaning of it. Where is about place. Why is about reason. When is about time. Who is about human being, person. Whose is about possession, possession of human being. Whom, basically there is a difference in between who and whom. Whom when you use as an object, and who mean that you are discussing about subject. Which, this is for non-livings. And how, basically this is to ask about the disposition of some person. Students, whenever you ask questions, these are the common use questions. Starting from the helping verbs, the first question is that, are you here with anybody? It means that you are asking about some other person. I mean that, are you alone here or there is somebody with you? Second is that, do you feel like grabbing a bite? It means that, are you feeling some appetite? Are you hungry? So if you are asking some question, okay, so this is also a style in which you can ask, do you feel like grabbing a bite? It means that you are talking about to eat something. Similar, do you follow? It means asking about that, do you follow some person or do you follow some book, etc. While words starting from WH family, what sort of stuff do you do on the weekends? Stuff means job, work. That what do you do? What is your job? And how do you spend your weekend? So this is a way in which normally foreign people they ask. Similar, what's your take on? Take on means opinion. Here this is also a question. It means that what is your opinion in this way, right? And the final is what do you do? And this is a special question about when you are asking about the job, about the activity of some person. So it means that you are putting a question that what do you do? Students, basically this is a video and related to interrogative sentences, and this is the second type of sentence, and I hope that you are learning in a very good way, because some common use sentences basically are also part of these videos. And this is now at the end of the video. I just request you to subscribe our YouTube channel and in this way you can, when you press the bell icon, so after that you can get more informative videos as well, and you can share this information to other friends and your other nears and dears. Thank you very much.